Alright, welcome back. Now we're going to look at 24-hour time and AM and PM and converting between each one. So let's get started with our first one, which is going to be 9:15, and we're going to convert this to 24-hour time. Now, everything in the AM, we leave it as is because it will be written the exact same way in 24-hour time. So this is just going to be equal to 09:15, right? That's 24-hour time. The only time when we're converting an AM or PM time and we have to change it is when it's in the PM. So if we look at the next one, 8:30 PM, and they want it in 24-hour time, the thing we have to do here is we have to add 12 hours to this particular number. So this is actually going to be in 24-hour time, 08:30, and then we're going to add on 1200. Right, so we'll end up with a 30, and then we add the 8 to the 12, and we will get 20. So we end up with 2030 as our 24-hour time. If we look at C, we have 0730 or 0730, and they want it in AM or PM. Now again, because 24-hour time and AM PM time treat the first 12 hours of the day the same way, we can just rewrite this as 7:30 AM. Alright, for D we have 2100 hours, and they want it in AM, PM. This one's a little bit different, so to do this, what we're going to do is take away 12 hours. So we're going to do 2100 minus 1200. Right? So 2100 minus 1200 is going to be 0900. And that is just going to be equal to 9 PM. Right? It's a bit misleading for me to use this as the example, but the reality is that when we have a AM PM conversion, we have to remember that everything after 12 hours is going to be in PM. So whatever answer you get by minusing that 9 hours, 8 hours, whatever, you have to remember it's PM. This is kind of a shorthand method of doing this. It doesn't mean it's going to be equal to 0900, which is equal to 9 AM. It just means that once we've converted by taking away that 12 hours, we're left with 9 PM as our answer. Alright, hopefully this is helpful, and I will see you in the next one.